Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne, and now Dwayne is playing our video with Curly, the one and only Marcia Everbless. Now go ahead and watch the video, listen to what was said, and draw your own conclusions as usual. So remember to support Curly, Marcia, in her 50th gala, which will be held in New York. Okay? Don't forget. Thank you for watching.
Ready? Theater, I'm currently get to the people them. Oh, and people, when they start with 99, right? On a don't take it to art here, don't take it to art. People on if you have fun on social media and stop name up on yourself. Stop name up on yourself. Mine on to get high blood pressure. Mine on to get strokes by your mind. On to drop down by on a fart. On a tan there. And what's people on the don't know on a tan there. On a fart. On a fart. On a can't tan there. Alright, girl. Alright. Alright. I phone the time now. I phone the time now. I feel on the time now. Alright. How way I go? Are you ready? So what I want to know why here? Want to know why here? Want to do why here? Come and realize that the people them. How are the people them gone? Oh guys, before we go into anything, you speak your minds and do so freely without any hindrance. And you hear me? Alright. Which part am I going? Okay, I'm going there. Gone too far at the backside.
Yes, me know say me have my medical issues with my eyes, and it's going to stay right there. When I look certain way and look certain, so them look bulgy and make it turn right there. Who don't like it come bite it. And if you see me with my eyes them looking different way, everybody don't want to talk to me because of my eyes them don't talk to me. Because I not beg no man to talk to me. I not beg no woman to talk to me either. I'm a whole entertainment and class by myself. I have my sisters them, and my brother them, and my pitney, and my grandpitney were loving grandmother. Him not even 3 months old yet. And when you see him granny in the top laugh. Yes. So that's as long as I have Romy, and my pitney, so it no matter. And I have me good up people them behind closed door. And me good up supporters them will love me. So me not be, of course I jealousy I kill them. I jealousy I kill them because some of them can't have a birthday party with entertainer. That is what. I jealousy I kill them. Some of them have money and them cannot afford to get 3 artists to come to them gala. Them can't rent no gala. Them a wonder and sit down. Oh, I wish she get money from to keep gala. I hope nobody not come so she can't pay them. I fuck and now wine. They will get paid. And the gala will be, if a 20 people coming, if a 20 people sit down in there, my blood clot, they are coming. Hotel book, plane ticket book, they are coming. And they're going to get their money. People like, her show is going to flop, ain't nobody coming. I fuck and wine. And Marcia, may never bless this. Me a woman, me plan. 10 years, me I dream about this a little wedding here. Yes, me dear. It's like Marcia getting married to herself. So uno sit in a blood clot on Facebook and say, oh, I hope nobody no come. So she can't get to do a gala. I figure no wine, honey child. I lie when I tell. That's why blood clot partner draw. You set your partner, you walk. So you can't stay there and set trap. So you can't come out and interfere with me and I talk up all kind of things. That's why they call partner blood clot draw. They do that and get what you want. That is what it is. So when you can't stay about you now, said trap and I said trap to me. Anybody when me offer that flyers, they will be coming. As I told you before, I could have 20 Ross people in that place. That girl are going to be nice as Ross. If me can't enjoy myself so. At England, with 20 people, much less. With 8 people, according to now. Can you imagine how me go me say that them people you see? How me can enjoy myself with 20 people. So stay there. Stay there for Bumbleclad Facebook and wish Marcia bad. And things that are ass ticket now sell. Oh no frigga now wine. Yeah, stay there set trap. And come they come interfere with me because and come out and like, oh, nobody coming. Alright. Sit there and things nobody now come. Sit there and things nobody ain't coming. And that's what I wish for. That's why not come and interfere with me. If you not wait, man. Sit there and wish you no bad luck. Sit there and wish you no bad luck and think, oh, nobody now come because our mouth is too filthy. Sit down there and wait. I want no blood clot I can see it because I can live and direct. We don't go and see it. Me say me not show no nothing. But I'm going to make sure that somebody have the camera will show on a Ross. And it will be a continuation every year. So sit there with no bad mind, and no grudgeful self, calling me all kind of names, kakai and this, that, and how much man are coming on my crotch for how much man on my crotch. If me want to take 99 man on my man, then I me tell us what to do no crotch. Then I me tell us what to do. Or no sit down there and wish. Some of you come on Facebook and wish me dead. I tell you the truth, you not going dead before me. Because young people are dead. My blood clot word. Some of you where I wish dead, no can't do me nothing. You think you can't do me where you do Pam? You think you can't do me where you do your ex-man? You can't do me nothing. An eye for a blood clot eye. And a tooth for a tooth. So go on Facebook and boast to no one. Every time you come on Facebook, go kill yourself. Go to Cuba and go have plastic surgery. Go to doctor. You need to take yourself to a blood clot dermatologist. And you need to take yourself to a ophthalmologist. You know, see your damn here, they pluck out your blood clot head like a bullfrog. You know, see, you look like a blood clot gremlin. We just escape from Alcatraz. And you come and talk about people. You can't talk about nobody. And you look like a gremlin. Look for you. Look how your blood clot here and tan. Need little vitamin S. And vitamin D and C. I want to come on Facebook about kill yourself and kill. Come on. Please. You not go and do it before me because I want a man out in the yard. I want to have to cook for man every day and take stress. I want to have to take body every night. We not have to take body every night. I
just started.
I want to. You understand? So you have your man in the yard. I walk you out with your tired self. You understand? I mean, know so that every rejuvenated crotch you must done. So I know say must something you use to put in the elastic in it. Because nothing in there. No substance, nothing in there.
Not the elastic.
So when you want to talk about me, if man come to me, the man they must know them come because they get something good. They not get no dry out crotch. Because first of all, you are 53 and me are 50. So your pussy older than mine. So if me take man said them if you take it, you're ready to go for redundant. Without insurance policy. So are you to take it? You understand? Are you to take it because you don't know, you don't need it. And matter of fact, when you get little Ross, they cannot even feel it. Because your crotch dry out. Not even blood clot person, I can't even do nothing to you. But you took a Vaseline. So you can't talk about me. So anything when we forget, I forget it. Leave the young pussy them, make them get triggered. That is it. Because when we are give pussy, we are give pussy to love. We not buy pussy. Yeah, we not buy dick. You understand? When we get dick, we don't buy dick and not pay a partner and not get the pussy jar. We just go check up any dicky so. So we're not fresh, not if sister ever bless. Watch and see how not fresh, not if sister ever bless. You understand? Because I want to do a cook for man every day. You understand? Yes. I want to get no crutch and name out like a blood clot handness at night time. You must smell like any blood clot cold cube. You understand? So I want to, me not get my crutch no more at night time. Are you a get it? You understand? Are you a get it with the parasite mouth? Not me. So let me stand there. Yes. Because I borrow a man me have, so he can't come every night. That's why me now call Raw show him. Because I borrow a man. All of we girls here take people man when I come for show on a bar man. So me don't know.
Pause. Somebody said, a 99 the girl did a cuss to backside. Jesus Christ, cause 99 cash. Allegedly, the people them man, that's somebody say. Me not tell no lie. I wanted to hear this part before me tell what the people them say. The people them say a 99 the girl a cuss because the girl got 99 cash for the people them man. How about that?
You want to see my blood clot man? I take you want to take a man go stay.
What?
When I give no substance, because if I give you something, you don't come on Facebook and be so.